Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to send funds from an investment to your Entrust account. So the first step in all of this is you actually have to work with your investment to have the funds sent to us either via ACH, wire, or check. And what you need to provide them is our delivery instructions. So when you first log into your online account, you want to look in the quick links box right here, and you're going to see delivery instructions. So click that. Then it's going to open a new tab with the delivery instructions. Here you can save it and email it to the investment, or you can just read it to them, however you prefer. But on these instructions, we have the wire instructions, ACH, international wire, and check as well. One thing to note is when they are sending us the payment for the account number, they actually want to use our bank account number and not your Entrust account number. They will use the Entrust account number, but only in this section right here for credit to. Now, once they send the funds, in the memo section of the payment, whether it's a wire, ACH, or check, if the funds are income generated from the asset, then they'll have to go ahead and type that in. Income from, and then the name of the asset, whatever it is. If they do that properly and correctly, we will deposit it and we will not need any form. But if the funds have been sent and there's nothing in the memo section, then we will either need a deposit coupon, a sell direction letter, or a note payoff form. If the funds are just income generated from the asset, so sometimes they'll call it a distribution, then we will need a deposit coupon. If the funds should be recorded as a partial liquidation or a full liquidation, or even a return of capital, then we actually need a sell direction letter. And I'm going to show you can download these forms right on your online profile. When you go back to the account, actually looking at the same section, quick links, if you're looking for the deposit coupon, you'll click fund account. Scroll down in the contribution section, you're going to click deposit coupon. Then here you can download the form, print it out. You can email it, fax it, or mail it to us. The fax and mail address is right there in the upper right corner. The email is all the way in the bottom, in the middle, right there, forms. Now, if you're looking for the sell direction letter, you want to go back to the account, click on the dashboard tab, look at the same section, quick links, click sell asset, select the account, select the asset, click next. Again, this is needed for if the funds should be recorded as a partial liquidation, a full liquidation, or a return of capital. Then it's going to open a new tab here with the sell direction letter. So same thing, you can email it, fax it, or mail it to us. We will need to adjust the value of the asset if this form is provided to us. Also keep in mind that as a $95 asset adjustment fee, asset sale fee, to go ahead and adjust the asset. Then it's going to open a new tab here with the sell direction letter. So same thing, you can email it, fax it, or mail it to us. The third form that I mentioned, the note payoff, that is only if you have an unsecured note and the note has been fully paid off, then you actually have to submit that form instead of a sell direction letter or a deposit coupon. Unfortunately, that form is not on the online profile, so you will have to log out, go back to our homepage, which is theentrustgroup.com. Do not log in, click on forms, and then look for note payoff form. I hope this helps. Thank you.